And today, girl, boy, lahat tayo, we're diving into Go High Level or GHL. Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary and I help aspiring freelancers and virtual assistants build skills para makakuha na ng better paying clients online. Kung total beginner ka, don't worry. This video is your soft landing. Promise, di mo kailangan maging techie, kayang-kaya mo to. Also, if you guys do not have the sign-up link para sa Forever Free with AHA Innovations, mag-comment na lang kayo dyan ng Learn GHL and we'll go ahead and send over the link to you. If in case lang hindi ka pa naka-follow, make sure na naka-follow ka na because sometimes hindi nagsasend yung automation. Now, just in case na after a minute, hindi nagsend sa'yo yung automation, i-message mo na lang kami. Again, the keyword is Learn GHL para automatic mo na makuha yung link for the free sign-up. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung part 1, part 2, unahin mo muna yon bago ka pumunta dito para hindi ka nalilito. But without further ado, let's hit the video. Go High Level is one of the fastest growing tools used by coaches, MSMEs, agencies, and online businesses. And as a virtual assistant, kapag marunong ka mag-GHL, mas mataas ang value mo and mas madali ka ma-hire at mas kaya mo mag-charge ng malaki. So in this video, I'll walk you through the GHL navigation panel step by step in the simplest way possible. Now, when you log into Go High Level, you'll see a menu on the left side. Yan yung parang command center mo as a virtual assistant. Ito yung ginagamit 90% of the time kapag may client ka na. So this is the dashboard. Ito yung pinakang home screen mo. Dito mo makikita yung quick overview like leads, appointments, tasks, conversions. If may client ka, dito mo agad malalaman kung may bagong leads ka ba na pumasok or may booking. Parang kumbaga, heartbeat ng business. That is the dashboard. Now, remember guys dito sa left side, pagpasok natin ng Go High Level, nandyan yung menu. Depende sa pagkakasetup ng client, kung maunti or marami yung nandyan sa left side menu. We're so lucky because with AHA Innovations kasi, mas marami silang binibigay na option dyan, kahit naka-free pa lang tayo. If you click on Conversations, this is where all messages go in. Facebook page, Instagram DMs, email, SMS, lahat nasa inbox na. So, wala ka nang pa-switch ng apps. Hindi mo na rin kailangan pumunta pa sa multiple tabs because andito na lahat. Very VA-friendly kasi hindi ka na malilito. Kung may nag-reply, dito mo agad makikita at masasagot. Next stop, contacts. So, may iba-iba pa rin tayong tab dito. But dito sa contacts, think of it as your client's phone book. Ayan. Pero super upgraded na. Lahat ng leads, clients, or kahit sinong mag-fill out ng forms, nandito na. Pwede mo silang itag, i-organize, lagyan mo ng notes. Kumbaga, perfect na to for lead nurturing, client reporting, client management. Dito naman sa funnels and websites or sites, ito yung exciting part. Funnels and websites is where you build your landing pages. Kung yung client mo ay halimbawa may pa-freebie, may webinars, or products, dito mo gagawin yung opt-in page niya. Kumbaga, don't worry, drag and drop lang to. Hindi mo kailangang maging web designer. But overall, it would definitely help if marunong ka ng marketing. I will teach you later on mas in-depth kung paano nga ba yung funnels and web designs at kung paano gamitin isa-isa to. Again, this is just an overview. Automations. Ito yung tinatawag na workflows. So, imaginein mo natutulog ka, pero si Go High Level nagsisend ng follow-ups, nagsisend ng welcome messages, reminders, SMS, all on autopilot. Ito yung skill na nagiging reason bakit tumataas lalo ang rate ng isang virtual assistant. Clients love automations. Now we go to the calendars. Ito naman yung booking system. Kumbaga, kung may client ka na coach or realtor or insurance agents or kahit sino na nagpapabook, dito mo gagawin yung call schedule nila. Kapag in-sync nila yan sa Google Calendar nila, may reminders, may booking link, super helpful. And ang kagandahan nun, dito sa conversations, kapag may nakausap kayo via the phone, may lalabas din dito sa kabilang side kung saan pwede mo nang i-book yung kanilang mga appointments. Pero dahil wala pa tayong magandang example ngayon, later ko na lang ipapakita yan. And then we have the marketing. Under marketing, you have email builder, you have SMS broadcasts, and the social planner. Dito ka magsisend ng campaigns, newsletters, at dito ka rin mag-schedule ng content across Facebook, Instagram, Google Business, and more. So, kumbaga meron ka ng mini social media manager plus email marketer in one place. And remember guys, dito sa pinakang baba, andito yung settings natin ha. Ito naman yung pinakang backend ng Go High level mo. So, domain setup, team members, integrations, phone numbers, usually one-time setup lang to, pero important kasi dito mo aayusin yung parang pinaka-foundation nung mismong account. And that's it. That's the full navigation tour of Go High Level. Simple lang, di ba? I mean, when someone explains it clearly, step by step, I feel that everyone can learn yung pinakang panel ni GHL. Now, kung gusto mo matuto ng GHL para mag-upskill as a virtual assistant, again, just comment Learn GHL down below and we'll send you over yung link and resources. If you feel that someone might benefit from this video, itag nyo na lang sila dyan. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button para hindi mo ma-miss yung next upload natin for the series. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!